A prominent physician, internist, and infectiologist operating out of Munich Schwabing City Hospital in Munich, Germany, Dr. Martin Wächtler specializes in the identification and treatment of infectious diseases, as well as internal medicine and hepatology. Born in the small German town of Idstein to Adalbert and Ruth Wächtler, Dr. Wächtler became fascinated with the work of his father, a Protestant pastor. He was intrigued by human beings and the natural sciences that governed their inner workings. As a result, he was a quick study in various scientific fields, including psychology, biology, chemistry, and medicine, as well as more personal fields such as human affairs. He came to understand how medicine encompassed all of these disciplines and could allow him to channel his passion into a force for good in the world. Additionally, he was inspired by his uncle, who served as a docent in biology for many years, as well as his aunt, who worked as a nurse. As a result of his interest in medicine, as well as his family background, he resolved to become a physician, earning an MD from the University of Frankfurt, Maine, and completing his residency at the German Heart Center in Munich. Adding to Dr. Wächtler's credentials are a host of certifications from various German medical organizations and licensing bodies, including a certification in hepatology, a specialist credential for infectious diseases, a specialist for internal medicine, and of course, a licensed physician. Dr. Wächtler began his career through his residency, serving as a registrar with the German Heart Center for 2 years, beginning in 1985. From there, he took up a post at Munich Clinic Schwabing, as well as the Clinic for Hematology, Oncology, Immunology, Palliative Medicine, Infectiology, and Tropical Medicine, where he served until 2020. Although he went on leave at the clinic to support City Hall during the COVID-19 pandemic, Dr. Wächtler emphasizes that he in no way abandoned his responsibilities to the clinic. Indeed, he currently serves by counseling colleagues, teaching and lecturing, dedicating time and effort to ensuring that his teaching methods remain effective and relevant in an ever-changing medical landscape. A good portion of Dr. Wächtler's career has involved the diagnosis and treatment of AIDS, beginning with his work in Frankfurt, where he saw the first 2 confirmed European AIDS patients. Since then, he has accompanied colleagues specializing in HIV and lectured in that area as well. Dr. Wächtler believes that the most important advice for future generations is to embrace continuous learning and personal growth. He stresses that every day offers new insights and challenges, and the process of overcoming these obstacles and learning from them is the key to success. Equally important, he highlights the value of communication and interdisciplinary discussions with colleagues. On a personal level, he emphasizes the significance of building strong friendships in the medical field, as these connections can enhance both professional development and job satisfaction. When asked about a highlight or shining achievement that he's proud of, he simply stated that helping patients, lecturing, and seeing his students in academia achieve brought him great joy and success, and it has always been very important to him. While lecturing students was one of his responsibilities, he found the interaction with students equally important for his own development, because he learned from them as they learned from him, which is the highlight of his life. He also considers it a great honor to have served mankind in many different positions while helping individual people. Through his work, Dr. Wächtler is always looking for principal improvement of projects and processes that will help treat and counsel patients. Dr. Wächtler is quoted as saying, "Medicine is more than a science, it is an art, and many of its aspects are important. In many ways, the complex interplay between biochemistry and the body's many delicate systems requires interpretation that keeps every day challenging and exciting as he works to keep his skills on the very cutting edge." Dr. Wächtler fondly recalls the lessons taught to him by his old Latin teacher, who would often repeat the quote, "Against stupidity, the very gods themselves contend in vain." Dr. Wächtler feels that no matter how high one goes in their learning and experience, they will always find themselves mired in silliness that will ground them and keep them humble and striving to reach even greater heights. Apart from his work in medicine, Dr. Wächtler is a man of great faith, citing the churches of Christuskirche and Marquis as religious institutions that mean a great deal to him. Dr. Wächtler also performed frequently and sang with the Bach choir at Marquis, and he is also a member of the choir at Christuskirche. Above his personal and even professional accomplishments, Dr. Wächtler believes that what really matters is friendship and the relationships he has formed with medical colleagues. Through these, he has gained the confidence and ability to reach out on a personal level and connect with others. These connections form the very backbone of his success and have helped him create a legacy that will last a lifetime.